so today we are going to continue to learn about the water cycle, and we're going to do another water cycle experiment. So last week we did our water cycle in a bowl and we saw how the whole thing worked. Today we're going to focus a little bit more on what happens inside of the cloud before it precipitates and starts to either rain or snow or hail. So today our experiment is called a cloud in a jar. So I have my jar here and I have some warm water inside of it. As you can remember, we need the sun to come down and heat up our water in order for it to evaporate. So the warm water includes the sun in there. So we have that. Next, we have some shaving cream, which our shaving cream is going to act as our cloud today. Now remember, a cloud is made up of water vapor, so it's not actually a squishy solid that we can touch, but today this will be our cloud. And then we have some food coloring, which is going to act as our water vapor. So after the water vapor evaporates up into the sky, it starts to condense and form a cloud through the process called condensation. So you'll get to see how all of that works today when we do our cloud in a jar. So we're going to start with our shaving cream. First, we're going to shake it up, and right on top of the water, my water's filled up to about here, if you can see that. I'm going to put it right on top so it foams up and fills up our jar here. So this is our cloud, and you can see it goes the whole way down to here on top of our water. Now we're going to take our food coloring, which is like our water vapor. So the water vapor, we'll start to put it on the cloud. It collects in the cloud. Now this might take a little bit of time because remember, we have to wait for the water vapor to condense in the cloud and to form that precipitation. But as I keep putting our water vapor on, start to watch below and see what happens. I'll use a few different colors so you can see it well, but right now we've already got rain going because our water vapor is condensing in our cloud and it's starting to precipitate. And you can start to see some red coming down there, more water vapor turning into rain. Get some yellow, and we have some green coming down. So, as you can see, this cloud couldn't hold very much water vapor. So as soon as it got too full, it started to rain and the precipitation started to fall down. So this is our cloud in a jar.